How you doing, folks? This is Spike. I'm a frugal fixer. Yep. If it can be fixed, I can fix it. If it can be fixed cheap, I can fix it. Yep, that's it. If you got to do something on the cheap, the frugal fixer will find a way to do that. So watch along. I'll show you a few of my ideas. See if you can catch on to a few things. And, you never know. You might pick up a thing or two. And if you got suggestions, hey, put them up there and let me see them. I want to see your suggestions. But, hey, do me a favor. Subscribe and hit that little bell button so you'll know when I put another one of these up, because I'm going to start doing them a whole lot, that's for sure. And, come in the Frugal Fixer shop. We got all kind of projects. We're going to put a dust collector on a shop vac. How about that? We'll do that one real soon. That's going to be one of the next projects coming up. Right here on the table, I got the project we're working on tonight. We just finished putting it together, and I used the machine to record it, and guess what? I hit the wrong button and lost the whole thing. So, yep, here we go. Look at this. I'm just going to show you real quick. I've got a spruce panel, glued edge panel, finished quality, supposedly. Yeah, we'll see about that. And it's made out of Romanian spruce. And we brought it, I brought it in, I cut it up in 3 equal 16-inch pieces. Oh, let me get the camera up a little bit. 3 equal 16-inch pieces, 16 by 20, or yeah, 16 by 20. And so they're all sitting under here like this. I piled these boards and this big old battery on top, and I put some clamps around the edges to hold everything. And we're going to let that sit up till tomorrow. And tomorrow, when we get it off of here, we're going to take it around and put it on the CNC machine on the other side of the shop. So, quick chop short, okay? I'm going to show you a little bit of the shop on this side of the shop. In the Frugal Fixer shop, this is the way it is. We got no tables, a radio alarm saw here. It's almost as old as I am, but not quite, but it's close. It's late 60s, early 60s. And then behind it, I've got my trusty old Craftsman drill press. And it is older than I am. It's 1957, I think it is, which makes it 1 or 2 years older than me. So, anyway, Frugal Fixer's not going to pay, well, that's a $50 drill press, and this is a $75 saw. And they both serve all my purposes for what I need to cut and drill and do all that. So that's the way you do things, okay? So the Frugal Fixer way is don't buy junk. Buy good stuff, but buy it after somebody else has kind of, got tired of it while it's still good. Because radio alarm saw is the best saw in the world. If you ain't scared of make sure I ain't going to tell you to keep a route to keep the safety guard on it, because it don't work. You can't see what you're doing. You can't work. You can't do the work you're going to do with it. So I can't even run it on it. The thing is, you just be safe. And the thing is, radio alarm saw will run up your arm and get after you, so be careful. Okay? Guys, I'm going to get out of here. But remember, hey, subscribe and ding, ding, ding on that little bell thing over there so you'll know when I'm going to do another video. And, this is my first time kind of doing in the YouTube thing, so y'all come with me and help. Come on this journey with me. Let's see what happens later.